Quite a while ago, Wikileaks was banned from receiving donations because of Visa, or Valitor as it is now. They were blocked from receiving donations, but however, the Ku Klux Klan was able to receive donations using that same service. Now, a judge has ruled in favor of Wikileaks, or DataCell, the company who actually sued on their behalf. Within the next 14 days, the gateway to donating to Wikileaks will have to be reopened, or they face a $6,200 a day fine. Now, the CEO of Valitor, Vidar Thorkelson, told Bloomberg that he would appeal the decision, but he would not say anything more. Now, Julian Assange also had something to say about the situation. This is a significant victory against Washington's attempt to silence Wikileaks. We will not be silenced. Economic censorship is censorship. It is wrong. When it's done outside of the rule of law, it's doubly wrong. One by one, those involved in the attempted censorship of Wikileaks will find themselves on the wrong side of history. Now, this censorship by Valitor did cost Wikileaks 95% of its donation money, costing them about $20 million. So I would not be surprised if in the future they went after them in civil court for that as well. Now, DataCell is the name of the company who sued on behalf of Wikileaks. They sued for unlawfully suspending financial services. Now, DataCell's director Olaf Sigurðsson spoke about the terrible double standard that Valitor has been putting out. I can support Al-Qaeda, the Ku Klux Klan, buy weapons and drugs and all kinds of porn with my Visa card. There is nobody investigating this, but I cannot support a human rights organization which is fighting for my freedom of expression. Now, in this situation, what we have is a corporation blocking people from donating to whatever cause it is that they want to donate it to. Or in this case, it's specifically targeted at Wikileaks. Now, I can already hear much of the far-right criticism saying that not allowing people to donate to whatever it is they want to is not real capitalism. However, they're not taking a very important aspect into account. These actions by Valitor are not the actions of someone who's not capitalist. You have to understand that they are a profit motive enterprise. They are one of the largest in the entire world. They are doing this not because they hate capitalism for some abstract, completely undefinable reason, as is often put forward by the far-right libertarian types. They are blocking Wikileaks for their own purposes, for their own benefit, their own rational economic material interest. They have given out all kinds of information on many people, and to think that a credit company, particularly one of the biggest in the entire world, is operating without dirty hands is almost tremendously naive in my opinion. All of the world's finances, all the evil financial, not real capitalism is passing through credit companies like this. Whether they are directly or indirectly responsible for each individual wrongdoing is debatable. The point is, they are engaged in them themselves. It would be almost impossible to believe that they were not allowing these things in some way. I mean, they do operate in a dirty, disrespectful manner by blocking people from being able to donate whatever it is they want to. So we already see that they're not coming into this situation or leaving it with clean hands. And I would also like to point out that the actions of Valitor are the actions of the capitalist class. And what are they doing? They're suppressing the information that's wanting to be released about the capitalist class and its tool, the state. The state is their apparatus to carry out what it is that they want to do, to carry out their interests. They want war files to be kept secret so they don't see their connection to them and their interest coming through on situations like this. So they have a definite rationally economic interest in on this. This is a capitalist enterprise defending the privilege of capitalist enterprise so they can continue functioning the way it is. This is a suppression of free speech that serves only the working class. Wikileaks is not a threat to the working class or even the middle class at all. Wikileaks is only a threat to the financial and economic elite, the same people who are trying to keep them quiet.